50-50, I will say, because sometimes working from home is better. You have your own space, but also go to work in the office and meet your colleagues and socialize is very good.
Hybrid, I'm going to go in between.
I wouldn't want to choose.
I think like a 3-2 model, where you still get some days to collaborate in the office is probably preferred for me. Times when it's easier just to say things in person or to do things together in person, but it's nice to have some time at home.
From the office, actually. I love working in the office and I think I'm much more productive.
I would probably like to work both like home and office. I think that's the perfect match to do both things.
It has to be a balance between the two. I do like to come into the office, but I would like to have the option as well to just stay home and work in pajamas under a blanket some days. Why not?